जब भी मैं गेस्ट चूज करता हूँ, आई थिंक अबाउट विच गेस्ट टू गेट, तो कई बार मेरे ऐसे कुछ दोस्त, इट्स होल आइडिया ऑफ स्टार से बातें विद सलील, जो पहले इसे ऑफ स्क्रिप्ट विद सलील बोलते थे, वाज द होल आइडिया वाज टू हैव ट्रेल ब्लेजर्स, है ना, जो अपनी मन मर्जी वो करें, और उसके बाद चाहे फिल्म इंडस्ट्री हो, चाहे राइटिंग वर्ल्ड हो, चाहे परफॉर्मेंस वर्ल्ड हो, वहां पे जाके माहिरता पाए, राइट, दे बिकम स्टार्स. This one has just crept up, It's almost like the last 2-3 years. So she was one of those ones that, मेहनत करके कमाल के FTI, LSR, सारे बड़े बड़े शब्द लेके अपने बैकपैक में लेके यहाँ बॉम्बे आई, फिर हार्ड वर्क किया, हार्डकोर सिनेमा करके, एंड नाउ इट्स लाइक शाइनी गुप्ता, यू आर जस्ट रॉकेटिंग. थैंक यू सो मच मुझे ज्वाइन करने के लिए ऑन माय शो.
Thank you. I can't look up because I'm really embarrassed right now. So I'm looking down because I'm.
Don't
well,
be embarrassed. I have to say this. पहली बार मैंने जब तुम्हें बड़े पर्दे पर देखा, I had a crush on your talent. Margarita with a straw. मुझे याद है, कल्कि तो थी अच्छी परफॉर्मर, but the world had not seen you. और उसके बाद जब बड़े पर्दे पर तुम्हें देखा, and then of course you got all the awards and all, and I saw you and I said, wow, यार, look at this girl. And I remember meeting you after that, and I think you're done fan जब हम स्टूडियो में मिले थे. And I said, यार, बहुत कमाल का, तुम इतना बड़ा performance, and then maybe having to do stuff, to mainstream stuff. But I realized that you're one of the finest powerhouse talents that there was, and thanks to OTT, we're seeing so much more of that. So once again, I'm super happy to see you in this zone, yeah.
That's very sweet. Yeah, I remember meeting you. First of all, I would like to say this: if this show is called Star Se, what is it called?
Baatein. Star Se
Baatein. हाँ, Star Se Baatein. So बातें तो हम कर ही रहे, करते ही है whenever we meet. But I'm very glad that I'm considered a star. I know I'm not, but even for the sake of this interview, if I am, I'm very happy. My middle class sentiments are, my middle class shoulders are little become a little broader. But no, thank you. I mean, I remember meeting you at the studio for the first time, and you and Archana, I will never forget, because Archana is anyway such a, she's a burst of energy, right? And she's always so warm. And I remember you were sitting, and I exactly remember where you both were. And you were really you were all praises, and you were really, I could tell you loved the film, and you loved what I did in the film. And, and ever since then, we've been in touch, ever since then, we've sort of, spoken, or whenever we've met, etc. So I always, there are some people you meet in life, and especially when you start and you don't know anyone, right? I mean, of course, apart from people through FTI. So you sort of knows at a subconscious level, आपका radar में ना वो लोग ऐसे उनको पहचान लेते हैं, आप पहचान लेती है आपकी brain की, अच्छा, he's in my corner, she's in my corner. There are people who are rooting for me and rooting for my whatever talent कह लो, जो भी है, whatever I bring to the table. And with you and Archana both, I've always felt like you both were in my corner and always have been, looking out and, and I want to really thank you because you don't always get it, but you guys were so open and always so genuine with your feelings. So really, thank you.
It had to be, because I can't fake it. अगर मुझे पसंद नहीं आया होता ना, and वो मेरे लिए बहुत मुश्किल हो जाता है, because I have to sit sometimes across the table, और कुछ लोगों का मुझे पैसे दिए जाते हैं उनका इंटरव्यू लेने के लिए, तो मैं कर लेता हूँ, बट शक्ल पे दिख जाता है, and I'm just kind of hoping कि आर्टिस्ट बहुत बात करे ताकि मुझे कम बात करना पड़ जाए. But with you it was like that. But before I come into what all the last year or two has been I don't know, it's been trailblazer for you. Very few understand. So I'm from Delhi, Venki, economics honors. Okay, so I know my sister did psychology from LSR, philosophy, sorry, from LSR, and gold medalist from LSR. तो हम सब जानते हैं कि कितना मुश्किल था. I'm a failed tennis pro, let's put it that way, जो स्टीफन में नहीं हो पाया टेनिस की वजह से. मार्क्स अच्छे थे, but you know how St. Stephen and SR, you need 100 almost. तो जो LSR में आते थे, you are a brilliant student of course. जो शायद नहीं जानते हैं, LSR के कट ऑफ सेंट स्टीफन और SRCC के लेवल के होते हैं. तो अगर आप बेस्ट होते हैं साउथ कैंपस में, दो ही कॉलेज का पहले नाम आता है, एक तो LSR होता है, उसके बाद वेंकी की बात करते हैं, और फिर JMC होता है, राइट? बट यू वर किलिंग इट. योर LSR एंड FTI, मतलब यू आर द quintessential proud daughter of a Bengali household जो हर चीज कर गई.
I have always been the black sheep in my family.
How?
My cousins are gold medalists in, मेरी जो LSR में मेरे 2 cousins थे, एक हिस्ट्री के अभी भी शायद उसका रिकॉर्ड नंबर्स आए यूनिवर्सिटी के, मतलब 3rd ईयर के डिग्री, जो मतलब डिग्री जब मिलता है हिस्ट्री में, वो कुछ मतलब 77% लाई थी. So my other cousins, like especially my mom's side, they are like, one of my cousins, my closest cousins growing up, he's a nuclear scientist in America. One cousin teaches at MIT. One is a cancer specialist in the best cancer. So I was always a black sheep. I was never I was an okay student. I was an average student. I mean, I fail नहीं होती थी और ठीक ठाक आ जाते थे marks, but I never liked studying. I did everything, you know. My extracurriculars were always very, very strong, and I liked doing everything, you know. So I was always that puppet जो हमेशा perform करता है. मतलब anywhere you see me, and I used to be actually very, I mean, touch wood, but I used to be very good at it. Like, so I was always very good at anything like recitation ho, you know. I used to do a lot of recitation, elocution. I remember, you know, any parties, like we'd have a lot of musical nights and stuff. So people would come to see me perform, you know, like music and, you know, dance, obviously not in like house, but I've always, you know, had lots of performances in dance. So I was always that person. So my mother was very unhappy कि भाई तुम first क्यों नहीं आ रही class में, क्योंकि तुम मतलब हमारी family की हो. But I would always tell her,
typical
these people are not doing.
Typical Bengali parents.
But my father was, I mean, my parents didn't live together. So my father was the extracurricular part, and my mother was only study part, although she was the one who, you know, would take me to the dance classes, etc. So my mother till date is extremely unhappy with my progress in life.
What? Are you serious?
She is, and she makes it very clear that she has literally given so much to me and my life, you know, and she's worked very, very hard. I come from very extremely middle class backgrounds, and I've seen very difficult days through childhood. And she believes that it wasn't worth, because I'm not an IS officer, or, you know, I'm not a professor in a college or university. So I mean, she doesn't say it so much, but I can see it in her. And sometimes she'll be like, oh, so only certain films like Fan जब आई थी शाहरुख के साथ, तब उनको लगा जाके चलो कुछ तो ठीक करी होगी, शाहरुख खान के साथ एक फिल्म में है, ठीक है. हाँ, then cut to, I think Jolly she liked because she liked the characters, or Article 15, you know. So there are certain things. Four More Shots she's not seen, of course, but she was livid because somebody told her, मेरे hoardings लगे थे obviously Calcutta में, जो उन्होंने नहीं देखा, पर किसी ने बोला था छोटे कपड़ों में है, तो उन्होंने बोला इतने बड़े होर्डिंग में इतने कम कपड़े पहन के तुम मतलब नाक कटवा रही हो टाइप. तो
wow.
So I come from a very academic background. So मेरे घर पे my relatives also, they don't know if I'm doing well or. So my grand aunt, she had asked my mother once, you know, because her other part of the family, they were like, oh my God, you know, she's become this and that, or some youngster got to know that, you know, she's related to me and got really excited where she's gone. And she came and asked my mother, is she like a big deal? Like, what's the deal, you know? And my mother's like, I don't know, you know, these generation, I don't know if anybody's a, you know, like that. So people don't get it. Yeah. So, but it's great.
So listen, one second. I know.
Very.
But I know Bengali families don't like to talk money, you know. So it used to happen to me also. When I became an actor and all that, they used to say, okay, you'll be able to survive, right? You do your bits. When I started making money, I used to tell them this. Because SI, this is my car and this is my house. But it did impress them to a large extent. So you either had the business-oriented Bengali or the academic-oriented. In your case,
mine is academic, Yeah.
So when you did make money or whatever, did they care about paychecks and house and holiday and this and all?
No, my mother says so. Recently, I went for a detox thing. My mother's like, why are you wasting money? So I had to lie to her saying it's free. Because she's so middle class. If I'm spending any money on myself except for buying books and buying fruits, there are two things. Books and fruits are the only things I'm allowed to buy, okay? Everything else, even when I bought like whatever the car I have now, you know, it was a more expensive car or whatever. she was having a heart attack. And again, I have not taken any, touch wood, I've not taken any help from my parents since I was like, since college, you know.
Right.
So ever since then, I've made sure, my mother made sure that, boss, you want to do whatever, you fend for yourself, you know, in a respectable way. So when I had a corporate job, she actually started again, like little bit of respect had come, okay, because I was making a lot of money. And this was before FTI, right after college. And then I left it. So then she was like, ये तो मतलब एकदम ही बुद्धू है लड़की, मतलब अच्छा खासा जॉब है, वो भी छोड़ के अभी पढ़ाई करने जा रही, वो भी फिल्म, मतलब कोई मतलब सर पैर नहीं है, फिल्म कौन
But
पढ़ने
did you tell
जाता
her
है
it's
ना?
tough to get in? FTI is not easy. It's not like walk in and it's
So
not
I
like
remember
symbiosis of MBA. You know, like how Pune
it's
symbiosis used to
very
be anybody.
tough.
Yeah.
Yeah, and I didn't, I mean, I was like, boss, I can't, I mean, she was very, very dramatic, and she said, मैं तो नस काट लूंगी type things. I'm literally, okay. And she was like, you
Oh.
can't go there and stuff. And I was like, boss, and thankfully I've always been very independent, you know. And I literally, I realized recently, I was talking to a friend that when I was 18, right after a week after my board exams, it was my first flight ever I had taken in my life. I'd taken it alone to Delhi. And when I packed my bags, I knew I'm never coming to Calcutta, coming back to Calcutta, you know. So I've always been extremely, मुझे जो करना होता है मैं कर लेती हूँ वो ढूंढ के, you know. तो so I think, you know, there is a power that sort of helps you and guides you, and I really believe in that truly, you know, with all the humility I can possibly have. Because अगर नहीं नहीं वो नहीं होता तो शायद मैं यहाँ तक भी आपसे बात करी वो भी नहीं हो पाता, you know. Because I have seen every single day of my life how I have sort of maneuvered, and you know, the journey till here, it's only been possible because I know somebody or something is looking over me. And I really believe in that. So when FTI gayi, so obviously I had the savings, I had the money, I knew I want to go. So I was like, boss, this is my number. From tomorrow, I'm living in Pune. I have left Delhi. So अगर आपको बात करनी है, ये हमारा नंबर है, आप मुझे फोन करिए. 1 month she didn't talk to me.
Wow.
Yeah. And then she came to FTI. I had lied to her saying मैं editing पढ़ने जा रही हूँ, acting पढ़ने जा रही हूँ, मतलब सच में नाक काट लेती.
Listen, you're gonna have to marry a nuclear physicist to please her.
Oh my God. Yeah.
Anna?
So after that also, yeah. And then she was like, she kept asking me, oh, by the way, she saw Margarita. And matlab aise karke she saw it, you know, because she knew what it was about. And, you know, like,
Yeah.
And you know, it's not always like, again, middle class parent, you know, not always extremely progressive, you know, in these kind of, you know. And I think it's also our generations think कि हमारे माँ बाप को भी थोड़ा aware और मतलब थोड़ा सिखाने की जरूरत है ना, educate करने की.
No, but to be fair, Margarita was ahead of its time, and your performance was ahead of its time also. आज वो बहुत normalcy में है, but it was almost 6-7 years back. Even for to show lesbian characters on screen in India, very difficult at that point of time, because and classically, you know, and not stereotypically the way they used to show it. It was very different.
Yeah. So I remember her sitting. She had come with you know one of her friends, and Shonali sat next to her, and she said, "Don't worry, your daughter's done a very good job. Everyone's loving her." You know, almost like you know that principal in a PTA meeting where it's like, "Don't worry, your daughter's doing well in school." Like, you know. And then Shonali comes up to me, and I was not sitting with her. I was sitting with my cousin. And my cousin was like, go, you know, check on your mother. And Shonali, she's like, it's okay, I've spoken to her, don't worry, okay. And then cut to the film happened. And after that, the first thing she says, nothing about, you know, what was happening. She's like, what, you've studied in a film school so much. Look at Kalki, she didn't have to study anywhere. She's so much better than you.
Oh.
So I was like, yeah, you must tell Kalki that. So Kalki and I were laughing. Wow. So she's brutal and she understands cinema. Obviously, like recently Buddhadev Dasgupta passed away and was a very dear friend of hers. So she knows cinema, you know, she's seen a lot of good cinema and, you know, like that. So her understanding is proper. Just that I don't think
no,
it's
she's
the
way too critical,
scenario.
I think, of you. No,
yeah, she's very critical. She's very critical, but I actually think it's very sweet in its own way. And I would rather have a mom who's critical because it keeps me really grounded. Like there is no way. Then, you know, when I see moms, and I know so many moms are, and that's beautiful, that, you know, who are so excited about, you know, what their children do, or, you know, always want to talk about it, and, you know, those kind of, I've never seen that, you know. Yeah. So sometimes I'm like, dude, like, why don't you appreciate me? But also I'm like, dude, I actually think I am better off with this scenario because I'm used to it, and it's always been like that. And like the fact that she is not affected by what I am doing in life at all in terms of
But
work.
tell me, is she hiding it and maybe not acknowledging part of it? Like a lot of parents are, they'll probably tell one person behind closed doors, I'm very proud of her, but don't ever tell her.
No, I think as a person only she's like that. She's very, also she's seen life and very hard. Like, she's gone through tremendous hardships. Like it's crazy. I think she's, from most people I know, I think she's had the hardest life. And I don't think I'm exaggerating that. So that way now, unka samajh bahut, like, her wisdom is very
Yeah.
at a place where I feel that she can see, and of course she's happy now. And मतलब वो होता है ना थोड़ा सा थोड़ी अभी शायद she feels that maybe I'm a little more settled than I was maybe 5 years ago. And but yeah, I don't think she would still be. I think the day I direct my film, she would be happier with me
Of
because
course, because you're a director there.
yeah, because it would be a little more intellectually um like either validating in her own way, I think. So she keeps asking, when are you directing your film? I say, I'll do it. I want to do it. But so yeah. Yeah.
So wow, you're so like a lot of us. When we came into this line years back, we never. So I remember people saying, so essentially you can pay for yourself. Wow, that's a great deal. So future. Now it happens to you when you're in the industry. Have you developed a really close group of friends? वो जो 4-5 दोस्त हैं, who you can actually sit and talk to about your auditions, about the big calls, about the big disappointments. Sometimes I feel like I think you deserved a lot more. अब आने लग गया. मेरे ख्याल से अब आने लग गया, thanks to OTT and all. It's changed the life of so many people. And I think for a long time, I think a brilliant performer like you, शायद आप waste हो जाते. अगर OTT नहीं होता, I don't know how you would have got the top billing like you should have got, or you are getting right now. I think that saved a lot of careers and boosted a lot of careers also. But is there a close group of friends जो आपके बन गए? Yeah, like I'm still a loner. Coming from a Bengali household as well, the connection isn't there. They're okay. I mean, as long as you're fine. Have you become a loner because of that in the industry?
No, so there are two things. I have always been a loner, like I told you. I think my journey has been extremely solitary because of the person I am also, because I've always, like, I've been a single child. I've seen things alone. I've been witness to things alone. So, if you know what I'm saying, like if you had siblings, there are places where you could share, or there was a similar entity that was experiencing similar things with you. It was almost like a partner in everything you did. But because of being a single child, and I have had a very unique life growing up, my journey has been only my journey. I've always been one to have observed what's happening around me and taken a call for myself, and that could be also my defense mechanism. I don't know. So I am extremely independent. So I don't ask, only sometimes, like recently, in fact, even now, I'm like, there was a campaign where I didn't want to, I generally know what I want to do, what I don't want to do, like in terms of films or campaigns or people I want to associate, everything. But this one got me really confused. And that's why, I wrote to a bunch of friends, girlfriends, and asking what their opinion was, because it was something to do with looks and stuff. But apart from that, I just always know, till now at least, touch wood, where I want to venture, how I want to go about in terms of my career, in terms of, so I think I'm very solitary. I like that. And I know I go with my gut feeling. I know what I want. But having said that, I've always had some amazing friends, some from FTI, some from the industry. Like Kalki still is one of my very, very, very close people, Vinay Pathak, who's always been a very dear friend. And these are family, Atul is there now, his industry, but, like mostly theater. I have lots of other friends like Vinny Mathur, Kabir, a lot of these people who are like Smriti, who runs Mami. So, there are a lot of people who are in the industry, has been in the industry from before I'm there. And there are people who, and again, Hussain Dalal, who's, again, a very, very close friend. So I don't think any of my friends, so all these people, none of them are filmy, they're from the industry,
They're
but
from the
they're very
industry, but not filming.
normal.
Yeah.
Yeah, so they're very normal, and I think I'm comfortable with that. There's nothing wrong with filmy people, but I don't relate to that, I guess, and that's why I don't make friends with them. But yeah, but having said that, like Jaideep, Vijay, for example, they're all FTI friends, right? Very dear friends. Rasika, in fact, Rasika was my Elisa senior, and my cousin that I was talking about, Prerna, her friend. So when I went to the audition for FTI, I'd spoken to Rasika and Faisal, who's also an actor who's in Scam. And so Rasika तब से दोस्त है मेरी. और मैं जब FTI ऑडिशन के लिए पुणे गई थी, वहां से बॉम्बे आई थी मैं रसिका से एक बार मिलने, और वो जिस घर में रहती थी इवेंचुअली वो मेरा बॉम्बे का पहला घर हुआ, क्योंकि जनरेशन ऑफ FTI lived in that house. So yeah, so Rasika has been my friend since then, and even now we call each other. She'll call me if there's something. I'll call her if there's something. So yeah, and these are friends, and I feel कि जो शुरू से आपके साथ रहे हैं ना, उनको साथ रखना बहुत जरूरी है. आप पता नहीं कहीं पे भी चले जाए, आगे पीछे, मतलब ऊपर नीचे कहीं पे भी, पर जो शुरू के लोग हैं उनको कभी जाने नहीं देना चाहिए, क्योंकि वो आपको हमेशा जानते हैं. आप before all these frills have come, they know the real you and where your roots, and that's very important.
But a lot of institute grads, FTI, a lot of people in the industry first used to have a very hostile position with them, because their assumption used to be they have a chip on their shoulder, क्योंकि ये सीख के आए हैं, पढ़ के आए हैं, है ना. तो क्या होता था, जो मेन स्ट्रीम एक्टर्स होते थे वो अमेरिका जाते थे 2-3 महीने के कोर्स के लिए, वो पैसा देके वो करके आ गए हैं. हाँ, so a lot of my friends, है ना. I said, what have you gone there to do? I said, पढ़ाई तो ज्यादा हो नहीं रही है उसमें. No, but bro, I have that stamp. So here when they used to come back, जैसे FTI वाले अपने आप को बहुत मानते हैं. And you know what used to happen in television? उनको ड्राइवर, परफॉर्मर वाले रोल देते थे, लेकिन कभी टेलीविजन में भी स्टार वाले रोल नहीं देते थे. And I remember acting and having all of them, and I used to feel so humiliated because of the roles that they were being given. Again, that has changed a lot. Do you really think, but that those who come from institute have a little bit of a chip on their shoulder, looking at the alumni and coming in also? Do you think so? And be honest.
Yeah, I have the problem. I can't be not honest. But yeah, I think so. Yeah, FTI वाले ना, देखो, also every institute has different kinds of people. Okay.
Yeah.
एक तो honestly FTI के जब हम आए थे, हम कई बार जाते थे ऑडिशंस के लिए भी, कभी सेट पे भी, और लगता था यार ये कैसे नहीं पता, और वो होता भी है यार. मतलब मैं सच में बोल रही हूँ, आई हैव बीन ऑन सेट्स वेयर द डायरेक्टर डजंट नो कट पॉइंट्स, लाइक इज आस्किंग अच्छा कट पॉइंट क्या होता है. मैंने बोला साले तुम मतलब डायरेक्ट कर रहे हो फीचर फिल्म, तुम्हें कट पॉइंट नहीं पता, अब वो भी तो होता है ना, मतलब. सो वो इट्स ट्रू दैट समटाइम्स व्हेन यू कम फ्रॉम इंस्टीट्यूट, आपने थोड़ा बहुत देखा है, सीखा है, और कभी कभी आपको लगता है यार क्या कर रहे हैं हम. वो एक प्रॉब्लम है, क्योंकि आप जब ज्यादा ही वर्ल्ड सिनेमा देख लेते हैं, और क्योंकि FTI ना आपको बॉम्बे के लिए तैयार नहीं करता है. FTI is not oriented for the Bombay industry, and the Bombay industry is very different in terms of its ethos, in terms of the work that happens here, in terms of the talent, the quality of, more than quality of talent, the respect to talent, the respect towards cinema or the craft of it, यहाँ पे, because Bombay is, you have to understand, there's nothing wrong with it, it's a business. So सबको पैसा बनाना है. हाँ, मतलब अच्छी फिल्में भी बनानी है, पर वो बी ऑल एंड एंड ऑल नहीं है. पैसा बनाना, फिल्म में बिजनेस करे ताकि घर चले और सबको पैसा आप दे पाए, तो बॉम्बे तो वो इंडस्ट्री है ना. तो आप वर्ल्ड सिनेमा कितना भी सीख के आओ यार, अगर आप अच्छी फिल्म नहीं बना पा रहे हो जो पब्लिक आके देखे, तो क्या फायदा वर्ल्ड सिनेमा का, है ना. तो वो भी है.
But do you regret FTI then? Do you think you should have come directly?
No. I owe everything I am to FTI. Everything I know to FTI. I would not, it was the best decision for myself I have taken. And yeah, FTI nahi hota to ho hi nahi pata. Also the person I am, because I come from an academic background, I need to know, boss. I can't come and, I need to know. शायद मैं कर लेती, पर वो confidence नहीं आ पाता. When you walk into a room जब आपको पता होता है चीजों के बारे में, वो एक अलग कॉन्फिडेंस है, you know. और आप, it's not like you take yourself too seriously, but you take yourself seriously enough for nobody else to take you for a ride.
Yeah.
And that's very important, especially, I mean, for both men and women, but especially for women, you know.
हाँ, काट
Because
ऐसे बना नहीं सकता और काट नहीं सकता,
बना नहीं
you know.
सकता और काट भी नहीं सकता, क्योंकि आपको पता है आप क्या बात कर रहे हो और सामने वाला क्या बात कर रहा है.
Correct.
तो you know everything, I think again, you know, because I was working corporate job, वो भी बहुत सिखाई ना, वो मतलब वो ground level पे business सिखाती है. तो but coming back to the FTI, I think there, it's true that a lot of people have a chip on their shoulder, and honestly, if I have to tell you, a lot of directors who have passed out of FTI have not become great directors after passing out. There are very few names. Editors have become excellent directors. Writers, you know, जो screenwriting की है, editors. But if you see, not a lot of pass outs from direction course, and it's a problem we often discuss कि यार मतलब वही है ना कि वो मतलब असिस्ट नहीं करेंगे, ये चीज बहुत सारी है चीजें. तो इनफैक्ट मुझे तो बहुत बार ऐसे डायरेक्टर सेट पे, अरे तो एफटीआई से है, अरे और माइक पे बोलेंगे, एंड सो मेनी पीपल डू इट, यू नो. हाँ यार, अरे क्या सिखा रहे हो तुम एफटीआई वाले. I'm like, सर ऐसे मत करिए यार, मतलब क्यों ले रहे हैं फालतू में. तो हाँ, मतलब बहुत ऐसे होता था शुरू में, तो अभी भी थोड़ा बहुत होता है. बट
आजकल का टाइम चेंज हो गया. I'll tell you, a producer once flat out told me in my face, अरे पर प्रॉब्लम पता क्या है, तुम बहुत इंटेलिजेंट हो टू बी एन एक्टर, बहुत सवाल पूछते हो तुम. और वो जमाने में सिर्फ एक आध सुपरस्टार होते थे जो आमिर खान जैसे टाइप. एंड इफ यू वर कॉल्ड आमिर खान एट दैट टाइम, तू आमिर खान बनना चाहता है क्या? इट वाज नॉट अ कॉम्प्लीमेंट. दिस टू से बेसिकली तुम्हें हर चीज में सवाल करना है और हर क्वेश्चन पूछना है. नाउ टाइम्स हैव चेंज्ड. आई थिंक नाउ टाइम्स हैव चेंज्ड, एंड अ लॉट ऑफ एक्टर्स से दैट दे डोंट केयर अबाउट Bollywood cinema anymore, because they have so much work in the OTT space, and they become very famous, making good money, and they have all this. Do you think that's happened now, where a lot of people say, I'm not going to struggle वो सातवें दरवाजे के पीछे आठवां दोस्त जिसके दो अच्छे सीन होंगे स्टार के साथ, बट OTT पे टॉप बिलिंग on the big hoardings? You think that shift has happened?
Hugely, yeah. It's a huge shift, and it's only possible, it's been made possible because of OTT. Because you don't need a star to sell your show anymore. It's your writers who sell the show, because आपके मतलब पेपर पे नहीं होगा तो शो कहीं का नहीं है, या फिल्म भी, you know. And you need actors who look the part, who are authentic, who look authentic as the character. You don't need a star anymore. Yeah, some shows and some people are still, you know, certain shows will have a different mounting because a star comes in, but even the stars have, I think, sort of smelt the coffee and been like, boss, yahan pe. And I think really, Salil, it's the best time to be part of the industry right now, because I think everyone's sort of woken up and kind of taken the work seriously. Because I always have thought कि 90s में आते तो survive नहीं कर पाते ना, मतलब
खत्म.
हाँ, हम लोग नहीं survive कर पाते 90s.
You would not have survived. We might have still. You would have just said मैं नहीं कर सकती है, मैं नहीं कर सकती थी,
मैं नहीं कर सकती थी. और मतलब पहले से स्क्रिप्ट नहीं देंगे और वो सब चीजें तो नहीं हो पाएगा ना. But now I think again, I still feel very frustrated sometimes, and I'm like, arey, you know, what is the kind of work that's happening? And still I feel that, and most of the stuff that I see is still pretty bad. I mean, I don't remember the last time I've seen something that's blown my mind, that's been made in Bombay, you know. And I'm being absolutely honest, and you can say, oh, I have a FTI chip on my shoulder. Maybe I do.
No, I agree. Sometimes it's gone way ahead of us. मतलब जो फिल्में साउथ में बनाई जाती है, जो स्क्रिप्ट्स बनाए, दृश्यम फॉर एग्जांपल, जो एक मलयालम फिल्म, नॉट ऑफ कोर्स उसका भी अच्छा रीमेक बनाया गया, but a lot of films have gone way ahead with script, storyline.
Yeah, you see, Malayalam cinema right now is outstanding. You know, you see Great Indian Kitchen. There's so many films. Like every day, we get to see, and smaller films, bigger films, it doesn't matter. You know, they have figured out an ecosystem where good films can survive in the money. So nobody is going after, you know, you don't need a lot of money to mount a film. But in my opinion, a lot of independent films, like my friend's films, Ibaliu, I don't know if you've seen it. It's on Netflix right now, and everyone should watch it. It's outstanding. And those are the kind of films like Esehi, Ibaliu, these are the films. Say we had Killa that Avinash Arun had made. Or Tithi, you know, that was made.
Yeah.
These are the films. I mean, I'm saying good films in the sense these, to me, these are also commercial films because they are entertaining, they're good films, and they can make the money or whatever. They, you know, they hire HODs and actors, you know, cast and crew who are good at their job. So yeah, but I'm not a hater of commercial cinema. You please make commercial cinema. I want to be part of your commercial cinema. But it has to have, I mean, I'm actually, so I'll rephrase this. I am okay with someone who wants to make commercial cinema and knows what he or she wants to make, and is not beating around the bush, pretending to make intelligent cinema. Because a lot of the pretense around, oh, hum to intellectual, intelligent cinema banate, but बहुत ही फालतू cinema banate.